Alright class, looking into the male reproductive system. Sorry. Looking into the male reproductive system, few structures that we can identify. This whole thing is the penis, and we will talk about this a little later. Staying in the enclosed in the sac. The sac is called scrotum. Enclosed in the sac, you have these white structures, and these are called testes. When we write testis, that's singular. When we write testes, that's plural. Okay. So the testis is the area, or the testis is the structure where the sperms are born. So this is the site of sperm production. Sitting on top of the testis, this comma-shaped structure is called epididymis. And epididymis is the area for sperm maturation. So the sperms that are born in the testis, they move to the epididymis for nourishment and nurture until they are matured. The epididymis leads to this tube, and this tube is called the Vas Deferens or Ductus Deferens. The tube terminates in this little swollen area. This is called the ampulla. What else can we see? Okay, if you consider, I need to change color. If you consider the vas deferens plus this artery and vein, like everything together, if I tape everything together, this is called the spermatic cord. And the spermatic cord has few things. Obviously, it has the vas deferens. It also has this artery. The artery is called testicular artery. And the vein is called testicular vein. And then this vein forms a plexus here. This plexus is called pampiniform plexus. Pampiniform plexus. I'm not sure if pampiniform plexus is in your hit list. Please double check. Okay, what else do we see? This right here is the urinary bladder. This gland, why cannot I draw? This gland right here, this is the seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle, and this gland actually secretes some fructose and other things that really help to form part of the semen. This gland right here is the prostate gland. We will talk about the functions of these glands in depth in my lecture video. And then this is where we open up so we take off the top part, and this is the inside. So inside, this is the prostate gland. This duct right here is the ejaculatory duct. Then this part of the urethra is the prostatic urethra. Then I need to change color. This part is called membranous urethra. Membranous urethra. And then the longest part, all this part is the spongy urethra. Spongy urethra. Okay. These tubules, these are called seminiferous tubules. Now, if you look at your penis, it has few parts. The inside part is the root. You don't have to label that. But then this part is called the prepuce. Okay, that's the prepuce. And then let me change color. This part right here is the glans. Prepuce is the hood covering the glans. Penis has erectile tissues that obviously help in erection. And the erectile tissues, I will label them. I'll just use highlighter. If I highlight this part, not working, it's yellow. Blue. If I highlight this part and a little bit of this part, this forms an erectile tissue called corpus spongiosus. And then do you see this purple colored erectile tissue right here? This is called corpus cavernosus. Cavernosus. Did I talk about everything? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So that's about the male reproductive system. That's it.